We're taking a look at this 24-ounce vacuum food jar or container from Energifi, and a big fan of these. They're super popular, and they're pretty economical because they can hold food warm for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. So let's take it out. It comes in this cool kind of sack for storage, or if you're taking it with, it's actually really nice, really well made, with a soft pouch. As soon as we take a look at the outside, we've got a rubber bottom here, so if it's going to be in an RV or something, it's non-stick, maybe on a picnic bench or something. We've got it in the orange color that comes in a bunch of different colors though. We'll open it up. First thing is the cover is also a bowl or a cup container with a silicone strap. The lid has a folding spoon, which is super cool. Just opens right up, all stainless spoon for mixing or eating. The cover has a button here because it's a vacuum container. So if you put something hot in here and it creates a vacuum, no worries, just push that down. It's going to release the pressure. And now you can open it with no issues with hand strength or anything like that. Big wide mouth. If you'll notice, there's a set of extra gaskets in there. These are silicone BPA-free gaskets. And super easy to clean. Again, keeps hot things cold, hot for 12 hours, cold things cold for 24. Great for soup, oatmeal, maybe even coffee or something like that on the trail. Tailgating, or even just at the office for lunch. I want to thank Energifi for sending us this one to check out. I hope this answers all your questions.